our Indian adventure, and it actually feels like we've come to a completely different country after being in Darjeeling. We're down here at Fort Kochi in Kerala. We've just had a quick, probably 10-minute walk from our homestay down to see the Chinese fishing nets. And as you can see by the nets in the water behind us, we're right on the coast here, and one thing we've noticed straight away walking here is there are lots and lots of really yummy sounding restaurants with a lot of seafood. There's a lot of fresh seafood being sold in the market. We started off our day with fresh pineapple juice. I think this is going to be quite an exciting week or two of eating.
Coconuts, don't forget coconuts.
And coconuts.
A little bit different to Darjeeling?
Very different to Darjeeling, where it was very much warm food, bread based. Here we've got the seafood, fresh fruit, juice. Yum. And what's that you're drinking?
My sugarcane juice with a dash of lemon. Super sweet, very syrupy. Probably not my first choice to be honest, but do what you do when you're here.
Quite tasty to chew on though, the sugarcane.
Yeah. What have you learned about Kochi?
Well, we've learned quite a bit so far. It was a Portuguese spice port, so there's a very strong European influence here. There's a Portuguese influence, it's had a British influence on it. You can tell with the buildings it looks quite different from some of the other places we've been.
And the time of year?
Well, it's Christmas time, so we've got quite a few decorations up. There seems to be a lot of Christmas sort of celebration type things here, because I think 35% of the population is actually Christian, which is quite high.
And in this enclave I think it's nearly everybody.
Nearly everyone here.
Yeah. New Zealand.
4.5 million people.
Yes.
I have a good friend in New Zealand.
In Auckland. Sweet as bro.
Yeah. Like 5 years before it's like 3.5 million people. Yeah. But now. Which perfume do you use in New Zealand?
I'm allergic to perfume, so I don't wear
Alcohol
perfume.
you don't use.
Yeah, it makes me sneeze. Yeah.
And he?
No, he doesn't. He should. But you can give him some.
And you don't want to be around her when she sneezes.
For men it's very nice. Kerala flower. Do you know Kerala flower?
Oh look, that's so pretty.
This is for men. Give me a hand.
I'm one of the lucky ones that doesn't smell.
You do, you get to try it.
Give me a hand.
Where does that go? On my...
This is the beautiful smell. And you can also use in diffuser in the house.
Ah.
It smells very good. This is Kerala flower.
See what effect that has on her. Does it make her smile?
That's nice. That is really nice.
And you use
It's not too girly.
to be quite a thing here. Here's my 2 rupees and I've weighed myself.
And you've got to go on a diet.
Yeah. Oh, nice hat. No, thank you.
Oh no. And Neil's going for some traditional Indian cuisine by buying a vanilla ice cream.
I mean, just weighed myself.
We thought we'd have a big city day today, so we took the ferry from Fort Kochi over to Cochin proper, which is the main part of the city. It cost us the princely sum of 8 cents each on the ferry. I say we were going to spend the day here, we've actually spent about half an hour here because it turns out we're not that fond of big cities. So we're going to take the ferry back now, maybe find some lunch on the other side.
Sunday morning, what's happening?
Well, we are taking a tuk-tuk to a place called Muttoncherry here in Fort Kochi, and we're going to see, I think, a laundry, a spice market, some temples, who knows what else, apparently some pigeons as well.
Just only 1,300 rupees. Car like a 1,900 something. Took 1,300.
Hello, sir. Let me get it. One little bucket. It's about hitting the iron. It's like weight training.
Home, he does laundry.
Is she a good launderer?
Says good worker appointed.
Yeah, I don't know. You make her work faster.
Ah, more than better.
You think? Come on, ma'am, up.
No, I don't actually do ironing at home.
Yeah. This is how it's done properly. Oh, this is the proper way. Yeah.
So one of the things we found really fascinating about being here in Fort Kochi is the diversity of culture and of religion. So for 400 years it's been influenced by the Portuguese, the Dutch and the British. We've got Muslims, Hindus, Jains, quite a high Christian population. So today, for example, we're here at an Orthodox church, we've seen a Jewish synagogue, we have seen a Jain temple, a Hindu temple and even mosques. So anything and everything is here and all really peaceful. We're leaving Fort Kochi today and we are heading to Aleppo, but before we go we thought we'd better show you where we've been staying. So we are at the Coconut Grove homestay and it's been a really lovely place to stay. It's cost us I think about 23 New Zealand dollars a night. It is spotlessly clean. We've got this nice common area. Here's a nice common chap. There's only 3 rooms to this guest house. You can get filtered water. As you can see, they're a good Christian family here. The other feature I like is there are scales, so you can see if you've put on or lost any weight while you've been here in India. We got breakfast included in the price of our room, and so every morning here we've had a really delicious breakfast, starting with pineapple juice, and every day has been something completely different. And the other highlight for us has been the fact that every morning we've had new travellers to talk to, so everyone has breakfast at the same time and you get to have a chat about who's doing what and where they're from. And this is our wee room. So we've got a fan, which we need because it is pretty hot here, comfortable beds. Again, the room is spotlessly clean. I think it's probably the cleanest room we've ever had here in India. Bathroom, standard sort of wet room setup, more than adequate for our needs. Yeah, so a really nice place to stay and lovely owners.